You need to sit closer to me.
Okay, I can't get much closer. All right, today we have a big announcement. Some people might have already seen Tanner's post that he is moving on to new and better things. This has been after much discussion with us, obviously. We love that guy, so somebody give that boy a really good job because he's an excellent employee. We are announcing today that we are going to no longer produce products at TNT Customs Manufacturing. We have done much discussing, and it's time for us to cut back some of our responsibilities and move on to a little lighter load, right? And that's what we've decided to lighten. So we will fulfill all orders and obligations that we've already had, and we will try to sell off what is on the shelf. So going forward, you want to place an order, you need to call me and I will let you know whether or not we have it, and then we're going to close it down.
July 31st is it. The phones will go dead.
Well, it's the same phone number. So.
No, I know. If you call for a manufactured part,
yeah,
you're probably going to get up.
Well, you're going to get told.
Hi,
unless
this is
it's
Bob.
on the shelf.
What can I fix on your Jeep today?
Right. We are still keeping TNT Customs auto repair shop that we have and Jeep shop, and we will still build things as we need for our customers with their Jeeps. But basically, we're no longer going to be sending Jeep parts all over the country and the world. You have to bring your Jeep to us and we will build it. That's pretty much where we're at.
Yep.
And it's all just due to the fact that it's time for us to lighten our load. And we have grandbabies, we have other things we want to do. So we're going to focus on one business, and the other one is going to only be as needed basis that Bob and Jason decide to build.
We can still build all our parts.
Yeah.
Unless a suit walks in the door and wants to buy manufacturing.
With an awful lot big check.
It better be a big check.
Because it's hard for us not to be TNT.
So, yeah, we're still spraying, Bob.
Yep, still spraying. We're booked on that.
Swamped.
This, if some of you haven't seen, we are currently looking to add to our team. I have a lot of interviews tomorrow, and now booking into Thursday. So this shop is rocking and rolling, and we're going to keep doing everything that we do over here and hopefully add to it. And that's just the plan. Still going to build awesome Jeeps, but just simplify life a bit.
Right. And if you want one of our, I don't know what the hell the right word is, but if you want one of, like a Safari LJ, Mojave LJ, Trail Boss TJ, JK, if you want,
anything,
we can still build all of those parts. It will take a little bit longer, but those builds tend to take longer anyway. So as long as you and I have a consultation and a plan, we can meet the plan. It's just I cannot keep putting stuff in boxes and shipping it. It's just that part of the business is not going to stick around.
Yep. We are going to lighten our stuff. We're getting rid of stuff.
Somebody's old.
Yeah.
Who wants to retire.
Yeah. Somebody's getting old and she wants to retire. So, but like I said, we still have people here. We'll still do all the stuff we do here in our building. Still the easy to crazy Jeeps, all trucks, all bedliners, all everything. Everything's still going to be getting done here. We're not closing TNT. We're just closing the portion of manufacturing that the entire family has decided we don't want to do. We tried to get it for Tanner and it just wasn't going to work out. So we love that guy. Like I said, anybody watching this want to know anything about Tanner? Yeah, he's an excellent guy, and if he could move to Cheyenne, we'd take him, but that wasn't an option that he wanted to do either. So somebody snatch him up, give him a good job. He's an awesome guy. Other than that, what do you got to say? It's been a good 20 years of doing all that stuff, and now we're basically going back to a little bit simpler and not so complicated of busy. That's what we're busy.
There's a lot of moving parts to manage in manufacturing, and I don't have time. So
Yeah, and I mean,
I run the counter here and do all the Jeep build quotes and estimates and consultations and et cetera, and I just don't have, there's enough hours in the day to manage all of it, so something had to go.
and this is what we like better.
Yeah.
This is what we like to do better. Like to deal with our customers and our friends, people that become our friends when we build their big bad Jeeps or whatever vehicle they have that we're building. And that's just what we want to do. We're going to shut the other part down. So if you want anything, you only have a short period of time. Check with me, because there are going to be some things I'm not even going to order. There's a lot of things that are on the shelf. If you call me and we have them, we can get it done. There's some things we're going to always keep. Our track bars, short arms, things that we can build and store here. We won't have room to store other stuff.
We don't have
or to manufacture other stuff, because we're going to get rid of the building that all of that is in. So
a limited supply of bushings, things of that nature for our current suspensions. They're all commercial off-the-shelf stuff. They are not proprietary, so to speak, like some of our competitors have done. So parts are always going to be available. You may have to call me and I may have to tell you that the bushing is from a 1963 whatever. They're not that old, but you know what I mean. We always used OEM type application, none of this crazy self-induced stuff that may or may not. I could go on that subject for hours, but our stuff is available. I will have a supply of parts. I mean, I have them all on my Jeeps, multiples, so I'm going to keep some parts. I can still get parts. If you guys break something, because you're actually out wheeling it and have a Jeep that is wheeled, don't worry, we'll support you. May take a minute, but we'll get you what you need, at least until I'm actually retired, but that ain't gonna happen anytime soon. So I kind of enjoy what I'm doing, and truth be told, I do not enjoy manufacturing. I am not a repetitive over and over and over kind of person.
Nope.
It's boring.
Nope.
Can't do it.
So there you have it. Words straight from the horse's mouth.
But
so we're going to go out. None of this is a sad thing. This has been a great 20 years of doing this. But it's time. It's time to lessen the load, and for that I'm happy, and I think you'll be happy when you get there. He's not as happy as I am, but the decision's been made. So we'll finish up orders, and then we'll start clearing house and prepping to get everything out of our building that we have in the manufacturing world. So some things are already.
If anybody needs a press brake, you have a really bitchin' press brake,
and nowhere to put it.
and
Come
nowhere to put it.
18 months from
it's
now.
gotta go.
So, yeah. Yep. So
Most of the other equipment is spoken for. I do have a few odds and ends that
some things we'll keep.
We could sell.
Yep.
Well, obviously, we're going to keep a few tools because they only make our life easier over here.
Right.
When we are doing custom Jeeps.
Yep.
But some of the big stuff's got to go. If anybody's looking or knows somebody that's looking, one of you garage fab guys wants to step up, make a good deal.
Yep.
So,
with that being said, we will see you again. I don't know, maybe TNT Tuesday next week. We still got things to show around, but we're slammed right now.
So
it's so busy right now.
They're not cool yet because we haven't worked on them, but they will be. So
we'll still keep doing this. We'll still be TNT, and we're just going to have a little bit less headaches on our part. Of course, we're thankful for all of you that have helped make our production a successful business. Thankful to all of you customers who we've shipped parts to all over the world and
everywhere.
Yep, and just
it's kind of melancholy when you look back at it. Australia, Germany, Korea, England, Iceland.
It's been fun.
Italy, bunch of stuff to Italy back in the day.
Hawaii a few times, even though that's
starting
US.
in my garage to shipping stuff worldwide was kind of cool.
Yeah.
So,
we couldn't have done it
different.
without the help of great people like you guys. So we thank you for all of that, and we'll see you maybe a little bit more on the trail because we'll be freer. Maybe. With that, we're going to finish up, and we'll see you guys next time.